everyone! It's finally Bubble Splash Day!
Let's have some fun!
Wow! We are building wands today, bending wood and tying vines, adding flowers, making bubbles. See how to flee they shine. Oh! Hey, let's include Toby. Come on over.
Special ribbon for a special friend. Wear it with a smile, my friend. Let our friendship never end. True friends forever, one and all.
We are jungle friends, waving to the